Rain likely, mainly in the afternoon. And for Tuesday night.
Flood watch in effect from Wednesday morning through Thursday morning. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood watch for portions of northern and central New Jersey and northeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, Warren, and western Monmouth. From Wednesday morning through Thursday morning, forecast rainfall of 2 to 4 inches over portions of northeast Pennsylvania as well as northern and central New Jersey. Wednesday and Wednesday night may result in pockets of small stream and river flooding. The watch extends into Thursday, well after the heaviest rain has occurred, since any flooding and crests of the larger rivers may be delayed until well after the rain ends. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding, based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.